Hey guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a look at the Nike DRIFTER SPLIT ISPA. Before we get into the review guys, just want to let you guys know, if you are new to our channel, hit that subscribe button and hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest videos. Let's get on with the review, and we have a great look at the Nike DRIFTER SPLIT in ISPA or ISPA, which means improvise, scavenge, protect and adapt. And this is like Nike's kind of like new line. What I'm getting from this is it's like back in the day when there was like an Air Presto or the Rifts, like that Nike development team, they were really cool. And it's great that this ISPA team is really technological, looking forward. I mean, a lot of the sneakers that we've looked here already, like we've looked at the ISPA sandals, like they look so futuristic, they look so Japanese. It's like Japanese workwear or Japanese tech wear even. So why I've said Japanese a lot is I'm going to touch upon this when I do the unboxing, but before that I'll get into the specs. So we have this Nike DRIFTER SPLIT ISPA in black, iron grey, smoky mauve, and we got this in a US 8.5, a UK 7.5, and it's European 42, and it comes with a pair of socks. So let me show you. There's a pair of socks, just normal looking. I'm not sure if this has anything to do with the ISPA team, if they did anything in development. It just looks like a pair of regular Nike socks to me. But oh no, I think it should be split, which I'm going to get into now. The name reminds you like of the tabi shoe that you usually find in Japan, where it's like a split toe. And yes, as I mentioned, this looks so futuristic. It looks like at the height of urban tech wear, which I think that was all dominated in Japan. A lot of companies like Acronym on the cusp of it, and you can see it today in like today's fashion, and especially in this sneaker. So what I do want to mention about this sneaker, it reminds me of the Nike Air Rift sandals. If you remember those, to me this just looks like an Air Rift with a sock upper. But before we get into anything to do with the uppers, let's start with the outsole. So this outsole is all rubber, and you can see this translucent area here where it has the ISPA logo with the Nike swoosh. Unfortunately, I can't really tell if there is an air zoom unit inside, because this was touted by Nike as to having a Nike Zoom X foam. I think that foam is just here in the midsole unit. It's quite light, and you can see like this styrofoam kind of hits here, like that support the upper. That's the main things that are just really striking me about it. I'm not sure if this foam might be it with the Zoom X. I'm not 100% sure, but it might be that the Zoom X is already built into the midsole. So if you guys know anything, like let us know, because this is the first time that I have had a look at this sneaker actually. This whole upper is a textile material, nice sock unit, and if you do remember our review of the ISPA sandals, it's kind of the same, like you get the ripstop nylon straps here. It's a similar shape as well, and you have a lace toggle. You got a combination of the two, so you have normal laces right here that will wrap around towards the ISPA strap with the nice logo on the lateral side, and it's all around. And at the tongue you have these two toggles, and they seem to strap your feet on. So as soon as you put your feet inside, there's like it is essentially a sock unit. So when you pull this in, it just straps your feet, gives you a good lockdown support. Main thing I want to mention is this like ninja vibes you're gonna get with the split toe, and obviously this was built for movement to make it lightweight, I guess, and it is incorporated with this like mesh upper that protects the toes of your feet. if I go towards the back of the sneaker, so you have these Tpu Guards, I would say heel guards. They're shaped like outwardly, so if you can see it there, they're not shaped toward, they're more shaped to the foam of the midsole, and it is in a like a khaki green color. Really nice. It does complement the black upper. So as I mentioned, the sole black is a mesh synthetic, and it does feel like a ripstop material right there. I'm really intrigued to try these on, guys. This is going to be the first time I've ever tried anything with a split toe. I want to let you guys know how it feels when it comes to mobility and fit, and yeah, I want to round it off there. But before I do try the sneakers on, I just want to mention the insole. So you look at the inside and you can visibly see that foam. So I'm pretty sure, I mean, I'm still guessing that this might be Nike's Air Zoom X foam, but I want to assume that I'm right. But as I mentioned, I'm really intrigued to try these on. Let you guys know my thoughts, feelings and emotions about these. Let's do this. When it comes to the fit, guys, go to your true to size Nike fit. Just a word of warning, if you are to wear these, I suggest either purchasing some split socks or going barefoot, just like the Nike Rifts. Otherwise, you're gonna feel some uncomfort. You're gonna feel, it's a bit weird that your feet are being split. But I do feel like mobile. I feel like a ninja, honestly. Maybe it's because I've been watching too many ninja films recently. But with all that said, it's alright. Like I can feel like the comfort under on my feet. Really futuristic. Goes well with the joggers I'm wearing. And yeah, I think let's round it off there. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Instagram at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Till next time, peace.